Mastering pronoun reference through parallel structure. Hello, language explorers. Today, we are venturing into a fascinating section of English grammar, pronoun reference and clarity. More specifically, we'll be focusing on how to make our pronoun usage crystal clear using a strategy called parallel structure. This might sound complex, but trust me, by the end of this video, you'll not only understand it but also be able to apply it in your everyday language use. Let's start with a quick recap. Pronouns are words like he, she, it, they, we, and you that stand in place of nouns. The pronoun reference is the noun to which the pronoun refers. For example, in the sentence, John said he likes ice cream, the pronoun he refers to John. The challenge we sometimes face is ensuring that it's always clear what our pronouns are referring to. Unclear pronoun references can lead to confusion and misunderstanding. But don't worry, that's where our strategy for today, parallel structure, comes in. Parallel structure means using the same pattern of words to show that two or more ideas have the same level of importance. This can happen at the word, phrase, or clause level. For example, you might say, I like running, biking, and swimming, where the parallel structure is evident in the list of verbs. But you're probably wondering, what does this have to do with pronouns? Well, using parallel structure can help clarify to which noun your pronoun is referring, especially in complex sentences. Now that we've got a grip on parallel structure, let's see it in action with pronoun references. Imagine you have this sentence. Even though Mark is younger than him, John thinks he is smarter. Who does the second, he, refer to? It could be John or Mark. Here's where parallel structure can help. If we rewrite the sentence as, even though Mark is younger than he is, John thinks he is smarter, it's clear that both he instances refer to John. By repeating the verb is after he in the first clause, we've created a parallel structure that helps clarify the pronoun reference. So, there you have it. By using parallel structure, you can make your pronoun references clearer and your writing more precise and elegant. Remember, clear communication is key in any language, and these small nuances can make a big difference. I hope this video was helpful. Keep practicing and stay curious. There's always something new to learn in the fascinating world of language. See you in our next grammar adventure.